Welcome to my comprehensive review of Walgreens Find Care, a telehealth service designed to make healthcare more accessible. Today, I'll guide you through everything you need to know about this platform, from its features to the overall user experience. Walgreens Find Care connects you with a range of healthcare professionals, including general practitioners, mental health counselors, and specialists. Whether you need a quick consultation, chronic condition management, or even COVID-19 testing, this platform provides a one-stop solution. I'll begin by walking you through how to access Walgreens Find Care. You can use their mobile app or visit their official website. After logging in with your Walgreens account, you're greeted by a user-friendly dashboard. This interface categorizes healthcare services, including virtual doctor visits, prescription refills, and mental health support, making it easy to navigate. One standout feature is the platform search functionality. You can filter healthcare providers by specialty, location, and even insurance compatibility, ensuring you find the right fit. Scheduling an appointment is straightforward. Select a service, choose a provider, and pick a time slot. Walgreens also provides transparent pricing, so you know the cost upfront, whether it's covered by insurance or paid out of pocket. The telehealth experience itself is seamless. Virtual consultations are conducted through secure video calls, and providers are typically punctual. During my experience, I found the connection stable, and the consultation felt as professional as an in-person visit. The healthcare professionals were knowledgeable and attentive, addressing all my concerns thoroughly. Prescription management is another key offering. After a consultation, prescriptions can be sent directly to your nearest Walgreens pharmacy for easy pickup or delivery. This integration between telehealth services and pharmacy solutions is a major time saver, especially for those managing chronic conditions. Another noteworthy aspect is the availability of mental health services. From therapy sessions to psychiatric consultations, Walgreens Find Care caters to mental well-being, which is a crucial component of modern healthcare. The platform also offers health screening tools and resources to help you make informed decisions about your care. While the service is highly convenient, I did notice a few limitations. For example, availability of some providers may vary depending on your location, and certain services might not be covered by all insurance plans. However, these are minor drawbacks compared to the overall benefits. In conclusion, Walgreens Find Care is a reliable and accessible telehealth solution, perfect for anyone seeking convenient healthcare options. Whether you're managing a long-term condition or need quick medical advice, this platform delivers a seamless and efficient experience. Thank you for watching this review. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more reviews and tutorials. Stay healthy and take care.